Do you have some cupboard doors that are doing this? When you open it and you close it, it does that, and it's rather annoying. The bottom pops in or the top pops in, or they both pop in right before it closes. I'm going to show you how I fixed that. We're going to take these hinges off, and I'll show you what the problem is, how to fix it. Because these hinges are not cheap, especially when you got, you got a whole bunch of cupboards throughout your whole house. So I'll show you how I fixed them. Okay, this is how I remove these hinges here. So up here on this hinge and this hinge here, there's a little tab in the back. So if you push that little tab and you push this door away, that way it comes off. So push that little tab in the back, and then the door comes off. That's how you get that off. And just the opposite when you put it on. Okay, we got the door taken off here. These are Salice hinges, and they're like self-closing hinges, and they're all over the place. But this is a common problem that a lot of people have. When you shut your door, it snaps shut. So I'll show you what the problem is here. We take that off, and you'll see these little pins that come down through here. See how that guy is up? Well, if you take a pair of needle nose, and I'll show you how I do that, and squeeze this down, just kind of wiggle it around, and it'll snap back into place. That's kind of a temporary fix, because it will do that again in probably a couple weeks. So what I've done is taken them out to my shop, and I'll pinch those close, and then I'll put right in there some epoxy. So I'll epoxy that down so it doesn't move out anymore. Since then, they've got new hinges where it's just one pin that comes through, and they've eliminated that problem. So apparently that was a big problem. So these Salice hinges, they're good hinges, and they're expensive, but that's an easy fix, and you can do a couple cupboards doors at a time, and then you won't disturb everything in the house here, but you'll save a lot of money too by doing this. There's nothing wrong with these hinges other than that. So I'll reinstall these and show you what it looks like. So I got the good ones installed here. Those are the old ones. They have some other ones here ready for some other cupboards. So here, I'll put this back on and we'll see how it works. Okay, I got the hinges back on, the door back on. Here we go. So we'll see this thing close. No more snapping shut. So if we just let go of it, here we go. So it's easy as that. Pretty cheap, inexpensive fix. These things are pretty expensive when you gotta replace a whole bunch of cupboards. We got cupboards all through the house here like that, so pretty expensive.